What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you or will be discussing with you how to fix trading disabled on MT5 or MetaTrader 5. So, if you're having problems with MetaTrader 5 here and trading is disabled or you're seeing that error here, well there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, this case, trading may be limited or trading is generally speaking here is limited on a specific time frame, so meaning you can only trade on specific times. So if the market is closed, you won't be able to trade, and that also gives you the error that says trading disabled, which again, trading will be disabled if the market is closed. But if the market is open here and you're still having some issues, well, the next thing that you want to do here is, if you have like a fairly new account here, it is recommended that you first make your first deposit into your MetaTrader 5 account first, and that should fix the problem. Because again, if your account is fairly new, you may need to set it up, add some funds first, and see if that helps. Now, if this doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you want to do is you may want to clear the cache on your mobile on the app itself. So you want to look for MetaTrader 5 here, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon, and you want to go and click on the clear data at the bottom right of the screen. Click on clear cache. Okay, go and close this one and see if that solves your issue. Now, if this doesn't solve your issue, the final last thing that you could try doing here is to uninstall the app itself and reinstall it again and see if that helps. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.